In the early 1980s, the Swiss MOWAG company developed an 8x8 wheeled armored vehicle, known as the Shark Armored Reconnaissance Vehicle. This was a military product that was originally focused on generating export earnings, rather than being specifically developed for the Swiss military. The armored vehicle made its first appearance at the Paris Air Show in 1981, and by 1984 a total of 3 prototype vehicles had been produced. Like other wheeled vehicles at the time, this armored vehicle could be configured with different weapons to serve different military purposes. The basic Shark armored vehicle has a curb weight of about 16 tons, a length of about 7.52 meters, a width of 3 meters, and a height of 1.9 meters. The vehicle's armor is made of welded steel, with a wedge-shaped front and inward-sloping armor on the sides. According to MOWAG, the vehicle's armor can withstand attacks from 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds and can withstand damage from a 155 mm shell exploding 10 meters away. The engine is installed at the rear of the vehicle, with the intake above the body. It is equipped with a Detroit Diesel 8V71T turbocharged diesel engine, capable of producing 530 horsepower at 2,500 RPM, resulting in a high power-to-weight ratio of about 25 horsepower per ton in combat-ready condition. The maximum speed is 100 km per hour. The reconnaissance vehicle is equipped with the GDDBOE turret developed by Recon, featuring a 35 mm cannon and a 7.62 mm machine gun. The self-propelled anti-aircraft version features a single-person turret with twin 30 mm cannons, and it can also carry French anti-aircraft missiles and other equipment. One unique variant of the wheeled vehicle is equipped with an experimental turret developed by Rheinmetall, featuring a RH-105-11 105 mm recoilless cannon capable of firing standard 105 mm ammunition. Another variant is equipped with a French FL-12 oscillating turret housing a 105 mm cannon. Despite the Shark armored vehicle seeming to be moving towards a comprehensive family of armored vehicles, some inherent flaws led to its demise. Despite its 8x8 structure, the chassis could not withstand as much force as other similar vehicles, limiting the potential for modifications and improvements, including strengthening the armor protection. Ultimately, only 3 prototype vehicles of the Shark armored vehicle were produced, and it did not undergo further development. It was replaced by the new Piranha series of armored vehicles.